Today we got the Samsung Galaxy A06. This is the latest brand of Samsung from the lowest models. So we are going to open the pack. It's a plastic pack. We need to make a gap so we can remove the plastic cover. The customer put his photo there. So we are looking for a gap. This is 0.1 millimeter. We can start inserted from the bottom. We need some alcohol also. In this series they made a different because there is now a separated black or plastic cover. In the other models there is a frame and the housing. You just need to detach the frame from the housing and that's it. But there is now adhesive, so we need to remove the back using this technique. As you can see, I'm letting the liquid leak inside so the adhesive will be soft and then we can remove it easily. The alcohol is like making magic for you. Be careful not to bend or crash or broke this plastic. Alright? We don't need to make force. We always work with patience. Alright, the gap has been made. Now we need the plastic piece will be better. We don't need the metal. Push one inside and then remove the other one. Okay, let's start swiping all over the place. Remember, you don't need to push this plastic piece in the middle of the phone. Just go all over the edges. Alright, the flex cable is in the middle and not in the edges. Keep pushing all around from the top to the bottom. There is some adhesive near the cameras, so don't pin too much. We don't need this plastic to be painted. Just if you pit, if you push, a little push, and then the back will be removed without making any damage. As you can see, the patient. We just have a fingerprint flex cable connected with the housing. Remove all screws, and then after that you have to remove the SIM card tray. This is very important. Now start detaching to remove the frame from the housing, but don't forget the fingerprint sensor. We have to unplug it. Don't cut it or damage it. Keep pushing the areas, the edges, from top to bottom or from bottom to top. It's not making difference. Alright, you see I'm looking at the fingerprint sensor. I'm carefully pulling out. Now we remove the connector, and now we should be easily removing the housing. Nothing is there. I was looking if there is one screw left down, but there is nothing on there. Alright, this is the back. I zoomed it. Consider subscribing. Alright, let's unplug the battery and unplug screen flex cable and the flex cable connected to the subboard. We have two and one at the subboard at the bottom. remove 3 of them, and then we are going to remove the screen. In this part of the screen, I should speed this up a little bit. It takes some time. Be careful of your hands. The glass could broke your hand, or cut, not broke. What broke? Cut your hand. So you have to be careful while you are dealing with glass. Also, protect your eyes with glasses. These glass could fly. Yeah, as I told you, you should do both glasses and gloves in your hands. It will be better for this job. I'm wearing glasses, but I didn't wear gloves. I handle this job for 10 years. I know how to deal with glass. Alright, now we are going to remove all the glass. It's tiny pieces of glass. So I'm going to use the heating gun. You can use at 150 Celsius degree to remove the glass. Alright? We don't need to keep any glasses there. You know, the cleaning is very important. So when we put the LCD, it will be fit straight to the frame. If you didn't clean very well, it didn't fit correctly and perfectly. Or maybe if you left some tiny piece of glass, when you put the LCD, it will be broke. This is the A05 LCD and this is the A06 LCD. They are different. It didn't fit. It's about the same size, but the flex cable, it's not the same. So they won't work together. I put the LCD, I tested to see everything is good. Alright. No need further testing. Remove screen. And then we are going to prepare to put the new LCD in the position. Remove the LCD. Alright. There is sticker in there. Remove it. Put the LCD correctly. Now we are going to make sure the frame is clean and good to put the new one, so we can proceed with our work. We don't need an adhesive, any glasses. We need it to be very, very clean. With this, we have a perfect job at the end. After that, use the brush to clean everything. Be careful not to touch the camera or the sensors. Now we are going to put a small line of the adhesive. This adhesive is from the company Real Life. It's CP002. It's a good one and black adhesive. Also, it's dust proof and water resistant. Don't put near the ear speaker, the sensors and the camera at the top. At the bottom, at the left and the right, there is nothing to be afraid of. Just at the top, near the camera, the ear speaker and the sensor. You can see the holes at the top, don't put near them. Alright, the line is good. Remove this sticker from the camera. And now we are going to put the LCD in the position. You will see how it will fit in place correctly. Start pushing from the bottom to the top. Align it and press it down. You can see it's fit in place correctly. That's perfect. Alright, my bench is cleaned It's not a pinch correctly, it's a carton used to draw some pictures. So I replace it from time to time when it got dust and dirty. I don't want the adhesive to be on the bench. That's why I'm removing it with my fingers and pressing the screen. So the screen is on. Now connect all flex cables. Be careful of the antenna at the bottom area. You have to put it correctly, otherwise the housing will not fit when you put it. You will see this in the video, but I talked before I'm doing this. And remember to press this support correctly. It didn't press down correctly at the right area where is the connector. Alright, from the right there is like a clips. It should be under it, not above it. It didn't press down correctly, so I had to remove the housing to make sure it's pressed on place. And this cable or this antenna cable, it should be goes near the connector and not on the loudspeaker. Alright, these things you should do from now because you will not have it later. After that, you put the housing, put all the screws, and put the last piece is the back cover. And that's it. For now, everything has been told. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.